Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to change Toyota CHR wiper blades. First, make sure you have the correct replacement blades for your vehicle. You'll want to gently lift each wiper arm away from the windshield until it stands upright. It's a good idea to place a towel or a piece of cardboard on the windshield under the wiper arm. This simple step helps protect your glass from any accidental drops or scratches during the process. Let's get started with removing the old blades. Now let's remove the old wiper blades. Look closely at where the blade connects to the wiper arm. You'll usually find a small tab or button. Press this tab firmly and then slide the entire blade assembly downwards, away from the arm's hook. It should detach quite easily. Once the old blade is off, gently guide the wiper arm back down towards the windshield. Be careful not to let it snap back, as this could damage your glass. We're halfway there. With the old blades removed, it's time to install your new ones. Take a new blade and align its connector with the hook on the wiper arm. Slide the new blade upwards onto the arm until you hear a distinct click. This sound confirms it's securely locked in place. Give the blade a gentle tug to double-check that it's firmly attached and won't come loose during operation. Repeat this process for the other wiper arm. You're doing great. Finally, carefully lower both wiper arms back onto your windshield. Before you hit the road, it's a good idea to test your new blades. Turn on your car, activate the windshield wipers, and use some washer fluid. Watch to make sure they clear the glass smoothly and effectively without streaking. This confirms a successful installation. Also, for an amazing home cleaning experience, check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum link and other great deals in the description below. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.